But this time, you have replaced me from Chris Hart. But please, don't worry, because it's you whom I want to take care of him. My heart is aching right now, and I don't know if I could still breathe till next month. I forgot to mention, I have a heart disease called hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. It's common for girls, giving only 19 years to live. And too much sadness and happiness could kill me. I can't die. I can't die until I will find a girl for him. You always say, Chris really loves me. Yes, I know that. But I am still very jealous of you. I know Chris does not love me because he needs me. But he loves me because I need him. He was trying to make me happy and protect me because he feels pity for me. I could feel it, even he's not talking to me. I feel jealous of you. I feel lucky to have you as a friend. Sorry. We started very badly, but still, we became very good friends, and that makes me very happy. I feel jealous of you. I feel mad because I am not you, the woman who knows more about Chris, who could make him happy more than I do. You know what? He is real when he is with you. He can do whatever he wants when he is with you. He can show what he really feels when he is with you. He can be bad when he is with you. But he always tries to be good when he is with me. He pretends to be a very kind person when he is with me. He's more comfortable with you, and that makes me hate you. I feel jealous of you, but as a friend, I love you. Please love me more than I do. Chris, I love you, and I'm still falling in love with you. Thank you for loving me, though I know you love Nilet more than me. I know you're just feeling pity for me, but I still love the way you lied. You told me that you love me, but your actions are whispering into my eyes, telling me you want to resist from my weak heart. Please, take good care of her. She's prettier than me. You have a good taste, but you don't love her because of her physique, but because of her attitude. I love the way you lied, because it's not obvious. You told me she's just your friend, but your eyes are jumping whenever you see her. I love the way you lied, because it seems true, especially when you say, I love you. I hate the way you say, I love you, because I know it's not true.
Yes, I'm stupid. Liar. I love you. Love, I think was just a little bit. I love you. Alam din ako naman. Kaya parang dapat ko dito. Alam mo naman siguro na
Sinungaling kasi! Kasi nagsabi sa akin na may sakit pala siya. Kasalanan ko ba kung muntik na akong ma-hold up? Kasalanan ko ba kung muntik na akong ma-rape? I tried to save her!
totoo yan. Alam mo lang.
Bakit ka ba ganyan? Bakit ka ba? Kasi mo sabihin sa akin na mahal mo rin ako.
E paano? Boyfriend ka.
Oo! Boyfriend ko siya. Pero masilit akong mamahal ko sa'yo, please. Please. Tell me the truth. Sabihin mo naman.
Sana pabayin pa nga tayo ng buhay ko.
Ano ka ba naman? Siyempre.
Ben, meron sana akong gustong hilingin sa'yo. Hanapin mo si Chris, pwede? Tawagan mo. Kahit ano, basta gusto ko siya makausap.
O sige. Tatawagan ko siya ngayon din.
Salamat. Bakit bang bago sa akin?
Ano ka ba naman? Siyempre. Mahal na mahal kita. Punta mo na ako doon. Walang signal.
Sige. Bumalik ka agad ha. Baka di mo na kumabutan dito.
Stop it, please. I'll be right back. Okay? Hello. Ben? Punta ka ngayon dito, please. Saan? Sa Lake Apo. Gusto kang makausap ni Led. Lakad ako ngayon. Sige na, please. Magkauli pagkataon na to. Alam kong makulit ka, di ba? Kaya please. Sorry talaga, Ben, pero ngayon, flight namin pupuntang Thailand. Tsaka nasiraan pa ako. Naalala mo ba yung sinabi ko sa'yo? Na huwag mo siyang saktan? At huwag mo siyang pasiyahin?